So what I have here is 7 inches. I measured, this is our round sleeve measurement, which is 14 plus extra 2 inches. Our round sleeve measurement plus extra 2 inches, and what I have here is twice this. That is what I have here is 14 plus extra 2 inches for sewing allowance, and this one is longer by 4 inches. This one is longer by 4 inches. This one is longer by 4. This one is longer than this one by 4 inches. Here is twice. This one is our basic sleeve. The material here is twice my round sleeve measurement, and this one is also longer than this by 4 inches. We added 2 inches for sewing allowance, so we'll now curve it this way to connect to this one. This is exactly what I've done. So we'll cut it out. So this is our exaggerated sleeve. This is our basic sleeve. We'll be gathering this to be equal to this. We'll go and gather it in our machine. We'll gather it. We'll gather the up and also gather the down to be equal with this one. So I will cut 2 of this, one for the other sleeve.